Hey food lovers, today I'm bringing you an easy, beginner-friendly recipe for one of Thailand's most beloved dishes, Pad Thai. Let's dive into this delicious adventure. First up, the sauce. In a small bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of tamarind paste, or 2 tablespoons of lime juice if you're feeling zesty, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and if you like, 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce for that extra kick. Set this mixture aside. Next, let's talk noodles. You'll need 200 grams of rice noodles. If you're using dried noodles, soak them in water for about 30 minutes, then drain and set them aside. Now onto the fun part, the stir fry. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and stir fry for about 30 seconds until it's nice and fragrant. Time to add some protein. Toss in 200 grams of bite-sized chicken breast or shrimp and cook until it's no longer pink. Here's a little trick. Push the cooked meat to the side of the wok and pour in 2 beaten eggs. Scramble them until they're cooked through. Now let's bring it all together. Add the drained rice noodles and the sauce you prepared earlier to the wok. Toss everything well to combine. For that signature Pad Thai crunch, add 1 cup of bean sprouts, 1-2 cup of cubed firm tofu if you're into that, and 3 chopped green onions. Stir fry for an additional 3 to 5 minutes until everything is well coated and heated through. Finally, let's plate up. Transfer your Pad Thai to serving plates and sprinkle with 1/4 cup of crushed peanuts. Garnish with fresh cilantro and lime wedges for that extra burst of flavor. Here are some quick tips. Adjust the flavors based on your preference for sweetness, tanginess and saltiness. For a vegetarian version, swap out the fish sauce for soy sauce and toss in extra veggies like bell peppers and carrots. And if you love spice, add Thai chili flakes or chopped fresh chilies to taste. There you have it, a simple and delicious Pad Thai that's perfect for any night of the week. Enjoy your homemade Thai feast. Thanks for watching. If you tried this recipe, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!